Welcome back. This is Dave Parsons joining you on the 21st of December, 2023. And I have my USA Telegram phone number in the bottom left hand portion of the screen. And my handle on Telegram, which is the messaging app, is Daniel Parsons, just my name. And that phone is country code 1 for USA 360-383-0265. I'm coming today from the southern part of Chile, where my wife has family, where she was until we married, and she's now got her green card, lives with me most of the year in the USA, but we do come down for the Christmas season. And so, coming to you from southern Chile, I have a Chile phone number, and that is country code 56 for Chile, and then 940604580. And that handle on Telegram is simply Daniel in Chile. So just my name, Daniel, and then IN, and then Chile is spelled Chile. I want to quickly go to screen share, and we've got an exciting launch of the new Oxy Tap product coming to you exclusive from Prife International. Cure, prevent, and diagnose any disease or illness. It is an in-home product. Many people know about a product called Kangen water. And so OxyTap is coming in the market at a much better price point. No one has been given that information yet from corporate management. So we don't know the price just yet. When we do know the price, I will definitely be doing another update video about it. So I'm not a medical professional. I'm someone that chose wellness uh, back in 2005. when I graduated from Washington State University. I graduated with business and economics degree from Washington State University, and I chose to go into the wellness field because I had some issues going on already in my 40s. And so it has been very, very helpful. I have received huge amounts of benefits from being in the wellness sector. Obviously, the first one is still being alive into my sixth decade. Uh, so that's it for the Oxy Tap announcement. We do have quite a bit of a lineup of wonderful devices in Prife International. We have the foot massagers, we have the iTeraCare um, TeraHertz therapy devices, anywhere from the classic model to the premium model, all the way up to the pro model. And I can get any of devices. Shipping now is very fast because the company has worked a way to create very good inventories all over their distributor system. So the end of this update from Chile. This is exciting that along with the portable Seven Wonders water bottle, now you will be able to create highly oxygenated water in your own home or office. And the benefits are huge. And I cannot say some of the things that are allowed to be said over in Asia just because of the government of the United States and because my business is registered in Washington State, Daniel Parsons Ministry LLC. I have to keep my mouth shut because of the laws in the USA. So that's it for this update. Bye for now and look forward to this new product, getting it into many people's homes. And it's a perfect time on the 21st of December to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah. Some people maybe celebrate something known as Kwanzaa. I remember that holiday. And so, what do you celebrate? God bless you. And we look forward to bringing wellness in 2024. Bye for now.